When a list of records like opportunity products or work order lines need to be added to a Gutenberg template, the data table feature saves the day. This tool allows a varying number of records to be merged into a table, accounting for situations where there may be as few as one or as many as thousands of records to display. It's a lot like a Salesforce report, but embedded directly into a PDF. First, navigate to the Data Tables section of the template's data settings and click Add Data Table. Select the object whose records should populate the table. Next, select the first field that should display in the table by clicking the drop-down next to Fields. Just like adding a data field, all standard and custom fields from the selected object can be selected, including parent fields. If multiple fields are desired, click the plus sign below the configured field to add another. Repeat the selection process until all of the desired fields are selected. Next, if desired, filter the records to display by clicking Add Filters. Choose the field used to drive the filter, select the appropriate operator based on your criteria, and then specify a value to compare against. By default, the value field accepts text to compare against. However, a field value can be used by clicking the button labeled Text next to the value. Once the filter is configured, additional filters can be added by clicking Add Condition. For very advanced use cases, filter groups can be used. That is covered in a later video. If only child records should be displayed in the data table, the checkbox labeled Child Records Only provides an easy way of filtering the return set to include children only. The last checkbox allows the data table header to repeat on every page if the data table spans multiple pages, making it easier for users to consume the data. Once the configurations are complete, click Insert Data Table to add it to the template. A data table can be reused many times in a template if needed. Gutenberg Data Tables provide advanced data display tools without ever touching code. Build powerful PDFs with just a point and click process.